Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hagasngi kabasau jong kador barsen rai ke ying dor bar thawan ke jela. Uba George Bileng do ubade UMLA ko Umroi constituency. Ula Kwah ban Thep shai ha kabayade ba ka jing slem banthung kampulin. Kabala wan rai ke jing deko trekam habaro kawei katanat kampulin. Ula ong ba watla ka jing thmu ban pentrekam no dakaros the system. Henry kalalong kawei nakidaw kabala wan ra ka jing kata. Bat ka jing pen slem ban pen mi ya ka result. Bat ban khod interview ya ki Samla. Henry ha ka joka por ula ong babaro ki kams new ka jing theng kali kabajur ki jing ujor ki bompat yo token ne ki badang sateng kadai nakadaw ka jing duna ki Pulit ki batrai kam. Bat kalawan ra ka jing jenjar ka bakraw ya ka jella. Ula ong ru baki Samla ki Thep kampulen ki Kwah ban Thep balanu katanat jong ka sarkar jella ka badai khmi ya ka ne kan pen mi ya ka result.
The delay in the police recruitment has left the entire police force handicapped. Yes, we know the problems. The roster system has again created another hurdle and delay. We are all aware of it. But at the same time, all the illegalities that are happening, the unmanageable traffic, the cases that are not being investigated or being delayed due to lack of personnel, this is creating a lot of problems for the state. Our youths are also asking for the results. Maybe in the course of the reply of the Honourable Minister, maybe we can get some clarity as to perhaps if any timeline has been set for this, so that at least we can lay to rest the questions that are coming from the youths and the ones who have applied for these posts.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.